No one should come to the holy place without being trained. It should be groomed. So we have a good consciousness for coming to holy place. So we can get purified, we'll boost our spiritual life, we'll meet the pure devotees, we can hear pure Krishna conscious philosophy from them, and become mature and strong in our Krishna consciousness. That should be the idea. But if you don't have this understanding, we simply destroy ourselves. What is this? Too dirty. This. Then you become offensive, and instead of you to feel very happy, you stay in the Holy Dham with frustration. But you see, some people get suffocated. Like the disciples stay with the spiritual master at the point they get suffocated. Why is that? They cannot contain the energy, and they don't have the proper consciousness to follow. So instead of getting purified, it will be like punishment. For some people, it will be like punishment. Where it's supposed to be joy. This is a great opportunity, but this will be like punishment for some people. Why? The consciousness is not correct. For those who have good consciousness, it's a joy. They want it. This is what we're looking for. They want it. They're happy because they're enjoying it. But if you're not enjoying it, you'll be feeling suffocated. Where we're supposed to benefit. So it is risky to be a neophyte devotee. Risky. Especially staying very close to pure devotees, more risky. But going to Holy Dham with the polluted consciousness is risky. So it's better for us to be trained, be advised, so we can have a good consciousness, and then everything will become very wonderful. Right?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.